Welcome to Beautyistic. Have you ever wished for a smoother, more precise grooming routine? Whether you're getting ready for the beach or just touching up your bikini line? Today, we're talking about a product designed for exactly that. The Remington Smooth and Silky Body and Bikini Kit. This cordless trimmer and shaver is designed to make grooming not only efficient, but also comfortable, no matter your schedule or grooming preference. Let's get into the details and see how it measures up. The Remington Smooth and Silky Body and Bikini Kit is a compact, cordless trimmer and shaver tailored for women, offering a quick and convenient way to groom sensitive areas, especially the bikini line. It's powered by a single AA battery, which is included, and has a waterproof design that allows for both wet and dry use. Perfect for customizing your grooming routine, whether you're in or out of the shower. The kit comes with 4 attachments: a bikini trimmer, a length guide, an exfoliator brush, and a foil shaver. These accessories are designed to cover all of your grooming needs, from trimming to exfoliating, and even providing a close shave when necessary. The device promises a smooth, gentle experience, particularly for sensitive areas like underarms or the bikini line. Using this trimmer in real-world conditions was a pleasant experience overall. The compact size makes it incredibly easy to handle, and I was able to maneuver it around all the usual tricky areas without any issues. The wet-dry functionality was a game changer. It's not often you find a device that works just as well in the shower as it does outside of it, and the Remington Smooth and Silky Kit delivers on that promise. I particularly appreciated the angled foil shaver, which made it easy to get a close shave without irritating the skin. As for the exfoliating brush, it was gentle yet effective. After a few uses, I did notice a slight improvement in the smoothness of my skin. It's a nice touch that enhances the overall experience, but it's more of a bonus feature than a game-changing one. One thing to note, though, is that the trimmer requires the battery to be installed correctly for it to work. This is something to keep in mind when first using the product, as improper battery installation can prevent the device from turning on. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons. On the plus side, the Remington Smooth and Silky Body and Bikini Kit is incredibly easy to use, with a well-designed ergonomic handle that ensures a comfortable grip. It's versatile, offering both dry and wet use, and the attachments provide flexibility for different grooming needs. It's also great for sensitive skin, with the foil shaver being gentle enough for delicate areas like the bikini line and underarms. However, there are a couple of drawbacks to consider. The battery life isn't the longest, but given the compact design and affordability, it's not a deal breaker. Additionally, while the exfoliator brush works well, it's not as high performance as more specialized exfoliating tools. Lastly, if you're looking for a truly close shave, you might need to make a few passes in certain areas. In terms of value for money, I think this kit is a solid option, especially considering the versatility it offers for the price. It's a reliable, no-fuss product that provides excellent results for basic grooming needs. If you're someone who regularly shaves the bikini area or touches up underarms and legs, it's a useful addition to your beauty routine without breaking the bank. If you're considering alternatives, there are a few similar options out there, like the Philips Satin Shave or the Panasonic Wet Dry Shaver. These models are also popular in the same category and offer similar features, although the Remington kit is a bit more affordable and includes the bonus exfoliator brush, which is a nice touch. When it comes to build quality, the Remington Smooth and Silky is well constructed for its price point. The attachments are easy to swap, and the overall feel of the product is sturdy, despite its lightweight design. While it's not a luxury item, the quality is more than acceptable for regular use. As for longevity, the product seems to hold up well over time with proper care. As always, the main consideration will be the battery, but for a trimmer at this price, that's to be expected. If you've ever needed a simple and effective grooming kit, this one is definitely worth considering. It's not going to replace a salon treatment, but for everyday use, it certainly does the job. If you found this review helpful, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so that more beauty lovers can discover our honest reviews. Your support helps us keep creating content just like this. Thank you for watching. If you've used this product, Drop a comment below and let us know your experience. We love hearing from you. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.